Good day, everyone! We made a flip book that shows how a tiny mouse could eventually evolve into a sea lion. Sounds unusual, right? But as you flip the pages, you see the little mouse slowly changing until it doesn't look like a land animal anymore. It looks ready to dive into the ocean. We came up with this idea by thinking about how animals always need to adapt when environment changes, whether it's climate change, pollution, or new predators. So in our flip book, the mouse slowly develops features to survive better in water. Its legs get shorter and stronger, its body gets bigger and smoother, and its front legs slowly turn into flippers. Basically, our mouse traded running on land for swimming lessons. That's how evolution works. Small changes building up over generations until you get something completely new. We thought a mouse to sea lion transformation was fun to show because it's simple, creative, and makes you think differently about evolution. Who knew a tiny mouse could one day conquer the waves? Thanks for watching!